Hello and welcome back. Now, before we push our code to GitHub, on the page of our repo, if you check on the right hand side down here, you can see this packages section, and there's this publish your first package. You can open it on a new tab. Now, these are the different registries you can use. You can publish your Docker images, okay? Apache, Maven, NuGet. You can publish containers, npm, Ruby gems, okay? For us right now, we're interested in npm packages, okay? And here's a documentation. You can see the GitHub token. It says to authenticate to GitHub packages registry, you can use GitHub token, okay? So this is like a documentation of what we can do. So npm login, okay? So now let's just go ahead and push this code. Right now our version is 0.01. Okay, this is the first version. Okay, so we don't need to update this. This is the first version, so we can use 0.01. okay, and then let's go ahead. Let me open this in a new tab. Let me see. Yeah, it's just tsconfig. So git add, okay, git commits, added helpers and GitHub action. Okay, now I'll call git push because I'm pushing to the main branch. So if you are pushing to a different branch, you can do git push origin and then the name of the branch. But since it's just the main branch, I'll just do git push. Okay, so let's see. Come back here, reload the page. Let's see what's going to happen. I'll go to actions. Okay, now you can see that I have a pipeline running, added helpers and GitHub actions. Okay, you can see it's in progress. I can click on it and we will just wait for this to publish. If there are no errors, everything, then we should have our package ready. Okay, so I will just pause this and wait. If we have any error, we'll try to fix it. Okay, so it's done for me. It took 29 seconds, so it's successful, no errors. So if I click on this, you can see the different stages right here. Okay, npm install, okay, npm run build, okay, echo this to build npm rc, npm publish. Okay, so no errors, everything went fine. Yeah, post run action, complete job. Okay, so everything was successful. If I go back to code, if everything is successful, now if you go to packages, you should see your package displayed right here. Okay, so I can open this in the new tab. Okay, and you can see the packages or the package that I've added. And now if we want to install, we can just run this command. Okay, so right now it's working fine. We have been able to publish our package. Now if we want to install, if we try to install this, let's see, this, because this is a private library. Okay, if we try to run npm install, let's try that. If we try to run npm install, let me not do it here. Let me try to see if I can do it globally. Okay, yeah. Let me try to see if I can do it globally, if it's going to work. No. Let me open a new terminal. Let me open a terminal. Okay, so npm install. Yeah, we don't need this. Let me see. Let me use -g to install it globally. Let's see if it's going to work. Yeah, it's not going to work. The reason is because the repo is private. Okay, and so it's in the npm registry. So for this to work, we would need to add the .npm ROC file to all the projects where we need to install. Okay, so for now it's not going to work because it couldn't find this .npm ROC file and the token. But if we want to test it out in this project, let's see if it's going to work. Right now you can see here in this project it's working because we have a .npm ROC file, okay, and it has the token. But here we tried to install it globally, it did not work because it couldn't find the token, and it's saying it's couldn't get it in the registry. Okay, so let me go ahead and uninstall this from the project. Okay, so now we are able to publish our library. Okay, if we need to make an update, all we just need to do after updating, make sure you come to your package.json version number. So you increase this to 2. Okay, and then in the project where you need it, you will need to update the version number as well. Okay, so make sure you always do that.